So when you send and receive documents that are marked classified clearly, and according to her statement, 300 people have seen her email. Some portion of those people saw the ones that said secret, top secret, confidential, whatever. None of them are charged. What do I say to the tens of thousands of people that live and work in my district, that work for the federal government, including more than 47,000 Marines? What do I say when, in fact, saying something that isn't true, handling classified information in an extremely careless way, has no criminal ramifications? What do I say to them? How do I reconcile the fact that they know that their friends and colleagues have been prosecuted or fired for doing less in the past?
Congressman, I can't speak to any cases you may be referring to involving friends or colleagues. Again, I would refer you to the description that
I appreciate
provided
that,
about
Madam General, but I've got to ask you a question.
That follow this similar fact pattern. That is what I think we focus on.
Okay, let me go through.
Every case is different.
Every case is different.
Has to be handled in the same way. Every individual, whether they are former secretary,
so there will be some cases
has to be reviewed.
Madam General, I have
with
very
the
limited
facts
time.
And the law there.
General Lynch, you keep mentioning this professional team.